6 signs of women having intercourse often. Number 6 is very dangerous. Having intercourse too often can cause a series of health problems. One can get exhausted, experience urinary tract infections, and nerve injuries. Frequent intercourse is recommended for married couples. Experts argue that many health benefits can be obtained. Not only that, this activity can also strengthen the relationship between you and your partner. Even so, doing it too often is also not recommended. Anything in excess is not good, including sex. The portion must be balanced to get health benefits. Here are the negative impacts that you can experience if you have intercourse too often. Number 1. Injured intimate organ. One of the effects that you will immediately feel if you have sex too often is the injury of the intimate organs. This is due to the amount of friction that occurs during sexual intercourse, especially if you and your partner engage in rough sexual activity. A chafed intimate organ will certainly make you feel uncomfortable to have intercourse again. Number 2. Fatigue. Having intercourse is like an exercise that can be draining. During sexual activity, the body releases the hormones norepinephrine, epinephrine, and cortisol. These hormones increase your heart rate and trigger the release of glucose in your blood. In the end, you feel exhausted. Number 3. Urinary tract infection, UTI. This one effect may be more susceptible to women. This is because women have a urethral tube that connects the outer area to the bladder, which is just above the misv. Sexual activity can make bacteria from the misv enter this urethral tube. The more frequent intercourse, the more bacteria will likely enter the urethral tube and cause urinary tract infections. Number 4. Muscle tension. Sexual activity is a physical activity that can cause muscle tension, especially if you do certain sex positions for a long time. You are advised not to have intercourse for a while if this happens. Number 5. Nerve injury. Apart from muscle pain, you are also at risk of nerve injury due to intense intercourse sessions. It's best to stop intercourse for a while and avoid too much direct stimulation in the same place if you have a nerve injury. Number 6. Dehydration. Not only does it make your heart beat faster, but you also tend to sweat a lot during intercourse. If you have sex repeatedly without keeping your body hydrated, the risk of dehydration increases. Especially if you drink alcohol before or during sex. Although it's not very dangerous, this is the most common effect that many people experience.